How y'all doing? Sean back with another video, and I really love this because I'm a proud, Southern American. Been in Texas, been in Oklahoma, been in quite a bit of places down here. And I absolutely love this for crypto. So there's a lot of mining going on in Texas for Bitcoin and others. And I really love that Texas is getting behind crypto. They're getting ahead of the game in, the centralized organizations saying, hey, we like crypto, we want to adopt it, we want to use it. And Ted Cruz specifically has been very bullish on crypto, and he's visited some mining centers, and he specifically, said out in the open that he loves crypto, he loves what it's doing, and he says Texas is going to be a haven for crypto, which if everybody else gets on board with him, amazing, because again, if you see something that's great, you see it performing great, you see it successful, you see the benefits of it, why not adopt it? Why not get into it? And, this ain't financial advice, but it does make me excited for crypto. It really does, especially in America. I know I've been in government work a lot of my life, whether it's military, law enforcement stuff, and things typically move like molasses. And molasses is like some thick syrup if you don't know, and that means it moves slow. So knowing that some government figures are really bullish on crypto and enjoying it and enjoying the mining and the benefits of crypto, I love it. And I absolutely am excited for it. And so this is just a Texas Standard article. Got a little mining hub right here. And they're talking about mining crypto and everything. And there's been some adoption for crypto already in the States, which I love. I know Florida, last time I checked, people can pay their taxes with Bitcoin. Now, I'm going to have to double check that, obviously. But another very bullish thing for crypto adoption. And we see this more and more. More and more people are reading about crypto. More and more people are learning about it. More and more entities, specifically governmental and state and city and country, are accepting and adopting cryptocurrency use for certain things. And I really love that. And I believe the Dallas Mavericks here in Texas, you can accept some of your salary in crypto. Whether it might be Dogecoin, it might be Bitcoin, I'm not sure. Again, I'm going to have to look into what the Mavericks are doing, but there's signs of adoption and mass adoption all around us and everywhere. And I love the intrigue, I love the positivity, and I love the mentality of people wanting to adopt crypto and wanting to get into it. And Richard Hart said something great about it. He's, the greatest performing assets ever. And I'd have to do some research on the numbers on that if they are the greatest performing assets ever. But, I mean, we've seen the success stories. We've seen the guy who, 150,000 Bitcoin for pizza, all this stuff. And they look back and they're like, dang, I shouldn't have got those big pies from Papa John's, right? But a lot of good things. And this is very amazing to see in the States happening. Texas becoming a model for crypto mining regulation. And a lot of people are scared of regulation. A lot of people don't like it. I think it's going to be a good thing, ultimately. It's not going to take away from the investors. It's not going to take away from the ecosystem as a whole. I think it's going to bring more adoption. And again, this is just my opinion, but I think it's going to really bring about more adoption, more widespread people who are waiting to get into crypto, especially institutions and huge investors, because there's a lot of stock market and real estate investors that aren't even dipping into crypto until they know they have some protection there. And I don't blame them. We all like protection. We all like safety. I mean, we have insurance for our cars for a reason. We have health insurance. We have life insurance. We have all these contingencies in place for so many other things in our life. Why not have something backed for crypto? So I really love this. I love how Texas is bullish. I hope y'all are bullish on it too, and hope y'all like and subscribe to the channel. Let us know what you want to see down below, and have a wonderful one, and like always, spread some positivity.